Okay, we are heading to a junkyard in Springfield to pick up a few more odds and ends for the FRS. I just need a couple little things, like I need one of the headlight harness, like the passenger side headlight harness is missing, and I want to try and get the connector for the windshield washer fluid reservoir, because the wires are cut there. It must have got caught up in the tire or something, I don't know. But so I want to get those two things, and then we need a couple. We're still missing a couple relays. I should have grabbed more last time I was there, so I brought the GoPro, so I'll bring you guys along, and I'm gonna grab some relays. Hopefully they got that headlight harness, and hopefully they got the windshield washer reservoir harness. Kind of picked the worst day ever to go to the junkyard, as it is, I don't know how well you guys can see that, but it is 11 degrees outside. But got to get it done, so we are going to do it anyway. We'll brave the cold and just deal with it. So we're heading there right now. Be there in about 35 minutes, and we'll see you when we get there. Okay, so we're out here at the junkyard. This is the car. I want to try and get this headlight harness, if at all possible. Which looks like it's going to be kind of a pain. I don't know how well you guys can see that. There's one. See, why is that so different than headlights on my car? Gotta hit that. Set that in there for now. There it goes. So that should have to come out. Just don't need that. Except maybe. See, it seems it's a lot different than the headlight on my car. So I don't know if that's gonna work. 'Cause my car's got like a connector here. It's got this connector. Now the guy didn't have HIDs in my car, so I wonder if that's my problem. If he switched them to HIDs. Because that's, I need from this connector out. And the way this goes together, just doesn't really seem like it's going to work. So that's a bust. That's the connector for the windshield washer fluid, I believe. Seeing as how this thing's all busted up. Oh, it's still connected down here. Okay, so there's that. Need that. I need this whole pigtail here. That's ripped too. So we'll cut that there. And we'll take this one too. And then I want to get some fuses. And a couple of these relays, if at all possible. screwdriver for that. Get this one on here. There we go. Things are expensive if you gotta buy them for the dealer, so getting them from the junkyard is a good option. And it doesn't hurt to have a bunch of spares. So, okay, now let's see what else is in here. Might be able to use. I don't like how I gotta figure out that headlight thing. I don't know why that's like. Maybe there's aftermarket. I don't think there's aftermarket headlights on my car, but maybe there is. I'll show you guys the pigtail when we get home on what I'm talking about, if you guys can see what that looks like. And then I'll show you the pigtail I got at home. See that clearly? Just shredded right off there. But you want some more of this OEM hardware if I can get it. Might need an RV. Okay, I think that's pretty much all we're going to be able to get here at this thing, seeing as how that headlight's not exactly how I thought it was. So hopefully the wind's not too bad for you guys, and let's get out of the cold here and go pay for these parts. Okay, so we're going to quickly go over the few odds and ends that I got from the junkyard. I know it wasn't a whole lot, and then I'm going to show you guys what I was talking about with the headlights. So if you could, I don't know how well the footage turned out when I was at the junkyard, but you see the headlight connector and stuff that I got going on here versus the one that I had at the junkyard. Clearly they're not the same. I was hoping they were going to be, because this pigtail here with these two plugs that go to the lights is missing on the passenger side here. So that's what I was hoping to get, but this is kind of what we got. I took the OEM shift knob just because, I mean, they didn't charge me much for it. I mean, I got all this for $5. I mean, can't beat that. So, got the OEM shift knob. This is our connector for our windshield washer reservoir, so we can use windshield washers. I'm not sure what this connector is for, but I grabbed it because it was right next to this. And there's a couple wires underneath the bumper, which I have back on now, so I can't show you that. But then we got all these relays, which is always good to have the extra OEM relays, and then some random assorted OEM hardware that I thought would be handy, like for the fenders. And this is for the door. This goes right in here. As you can see, that is not connected there. So instead of, you know, trying to figure out what bolt, I figured, hey, I'll just take the one out of the car. So now we got the bolt for that we can fix. And that's pretty much it. You know, nothing too outrageous. Not really a good haul, but we'll try and figure something else out for the headlights. I'm still waiting on parts to come in this week, so we'll see what happens there. But that's going to be it for today. So like, comment, subscribe down below. Stay tuned for more exciting content versus today, which I know was probably pretty boring and not very exciting, but I appreciate you sticking with me. So we will see you in the next one.